Do you want to pay off debt but you feel like you can't enjoy life during the process? I understand. My wife and I actually became debt free twice. So today, I'm going to share with you 3 solutions to help you to pay off debt while enjoying the process. I'm DG, Dakota Grady, the money coach, and I'm all about helping you to master your finances. Let's dive into the conversation. So you're here because you want to pay off debt, but you feel like, you're going to miss out, right? FOMO, fear of missing out. Drop in the chat below if that's you. You feel like you need to get out of debt, but you feel like, I can't do it because I'm going to miss out. So you make mistakes with finances, right? Well, I understand. I can also give you a resource that can help you to move forward and not let the past mistakes hinder you from moving forward financially. Drop in the chat below mistakes, and I'll send it to you. Here are 3 things that are holding you back from paying off debt, and you know you need to pay off debt. The first one is you're afraid to miss out. Again, FOMO. Afraid to miss out on enjoying life, spending time with family, going to eat, dining out, splurging, right? But think about it. If you were to go out of town with your family and friends, you got a ton of debt, right? Go and have a good time, come back home, and it's like you go get drunk, right? You have problems in life, and then you come back to reality, you're sober, and the problems are still there. It's the same thing with debt. You can go enjoy life, have fun, and you still get that credit card statement in the mail every month wanting the payment, right? So that's keeping you stuck. The second thing is you're afraid what people may say if you pay off debt. All your friends and family are like, oh, what are they going to say? I'm going to look weird. I'm the only one who's not going to be focused on building my credit score, right? Think about it. Are your friends and family moving forward financially? Are they the ones talking about paying off debt? Probably aren't. I know you feel like a weirdo, but trust me on this one. Paying off debt is what you need to do for you and your family. Don't worry about them and their families. Focus on you and your family so you can be able to leave a legacy. The third thing you focus on and worry about is your FICO score may decrease. That is true. When you get out of debt, you don't go in debt, you'll stay out of debt. And you won't be making somebody else rich, right? Because when you borrow money, you pay back principal plus interest. Interest is how people make money. Banks, lenders, they make money off of the interest that they are getting from you when you pay your monthly payment. So now you know what's holding you back. Here are 3 solutions that you can implement today that can help you on your journey to become debt-free. First thing is to do things for free. That's right. You don't have to go into debt to have fun. You can create experiences and memories with your children, your wife, and your spouse. So, for example, if you are in town, say you want to do a staycation, maybe you can do things that are free, like go to the park, a museum. You can go walk around in your neighborhood, community, visit the zoo if it's free, or something even low cost. But the whole point is to think about things you can do to create experiences and memories while you're on your journey to debt free. The second thing is treat yourself when you pay off a debt. So when you pay off one debt, celebrate it. Go enjoy something. Go enjoy life. Go out to eat. Don't go too big though. Don't go back into the same trap that's keeping you broke with paying off debt. Go pay off a debt and go treat yourself. And the third thing is, I believe it's most important and powerful because it keeps your eyes on the prize and it's focusing on the end result. When you pay off debt, what goal do you want to accomplish? You pay off debt? Are you going to invest? Buy a house? Are you going to start a business? You want to build a legacy? What are you going to do with the extra cash that you're going to have in your pocket? Because again, when you become debt free, you have more money to do what you want to do instead of paying somebody else, making them rich. I know that you're afraid of paying off debt, looking weird, looking funny, but once you do it, you can be able to leave a legacy for you and your children and be the example and be the difference maker, because about 80% of people in America are borrowing money. They borrow money, stand in bondage, but not you. They'll be able to enjoy life now and then even enjoy it even more once you become debt free. I hope this episode was powerful, impactful, and value added Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for joining us.